Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what secrets Mars, the red planet, holds? For as long as humans have been able to gaze upon the stars, Mars has been a source of fascination and mystery. Its fiery red glow stands out amidst the twinkling cosmos, beckoning us to unravel its enigma. This celestial body, fourth from the Sun and our neighbor in the solar system, has been an object of intrigue since ancient times. The early civilizations, without the aid of telescopes, could only speculate about this red dot in the night sky. Its reddish hue led the Romans to name it Mars, after their god of war, while the ancient Egyptians saw it as an embodiment of Horus, their god of the sky. This crimson planet, visible even to the naked eye, was a source of wonder and speculation for these ancient cultures, their imaginations filling the gaps in their knowledge. As civilizations advanced, so did our understanding and curiosity about Mars. The invention of the telescope in the 17th century allowed us to see Mars in greater detail. Astronomers began to map out its surface, noting its polar ice caps and its dark and light areas. They speculated about the possibility of life on Mars, sparking debates and inspiring science fiction tales that captured the public imagination. Yet, despite our advancements and observations, Mars remained largely a mystery. We knew it was there, we could see its red glow, we could map out its surface, but we didn't truly understand it. We didn't know what its atmosphere was like, what its surface was made of, or if it could support life. The answers to these questions remained locked away, hidden within the red planet itself. So we began to dream, to plan, and to build. We looked at Mars, not just as a point of light in the night sky, but as a destination, the next frontier, a place to explore, to learn from, and maybe, just maybe, a place to call home. From these early days of curiosity, the journey to uncover the secrets of Mars was set in motion. The space age brought a new perspective to our understanding of Mars. This era of exploration dawned in earnest with the launch of NASA's Mariner 4 in 1964, marking the first successful mission to the red planet. As the spacecraft journeyed through the vast expanse of space, it carried with it the hopes and dreams of a species yearning to uncover the mysteries of its celestial neighbor. Mariner 4 was a pioneer, an emissary of Earth that would carry out the first successful Mars flyby. As it swept past Mars, it captured the first images of the planet from space, sending back a series of grainy black and white photos. These images, while far from the high-resolution photos we are accustomed to today, were revolutionary. For the first time in human history, we had a glimpse of Mars as more than just a red dot in the night sky. The exploration didn't stop there. In the subsequent years, missions like Viking 1 and 2 would delve deeper into the Martian mysteries. Launched in the mid-70s, these missions returned more detailed images of Mars, unveiling its rugged terrain, grand canyons, and towering volcanoes. They also analyzed the Martian soil for signs of life. The turn of the century saw a shift in Mars exploration strategy, from orbiters to rovers. As we journeyed into the new millennium, our gaze towards Mars became more focused, more determined. Instead of merely orbiting the red planet, we decided to touch its surface, to feel its soil, and to explore its mysteries up close. And so, the era of Mars rovers began. The first of these robotic pioneers was Pathfinder, launched in the late 90s. It was a small, lightweight rover, but it had a big mission: to prove that we could land and operate a rover on Mars. And it did. Pathfinder not only paved the way for future missions, but also discovered a variety of rocks and soil, indicating a complex geologic history for Mars. A few years later, in the early 2000s, twin rovers Spirit and Opportunity took the baton. They were designed to last for 90 Martian days, but they far exceeded expectations. Spirit explored for 6 years, and Opportunity for an astonishing 15. They found evidence of past water activity on Mars, suggesting the planet may have once been hospitable to life. Then came Curiosity, the most advanced rover yet, landing on Mars in 2012. It was tasked with answering the question, could Mars have once harbored life? And it found clues in the affirmative. Curiosity discovered organic molecules and fluctuating methane levels in the Martian atmosphere, both potential indicators of past life. These rovers, each named with a nod to our human spirit of exploration, have become more than mere machines. They are our proxies, our explorers in a land too distant and too harsh for us to tread. They've unveiled a Mars that is strangely Earth-like, with mountains, valleys, and signs of flowing water. And so, our understanding of Mars has evolved. We've gone from viewing it as a barren, lifeless world to seeing it as a place that might have once been much like our own Earth. These rovers have become our eyes and ears on Mars, revealing a world both alien and familiar. The next big leap in Mars exploration is not just sending rovers, but sending humans. Imagine a future where the first humans are preparing to embark on the most daring journey mankind has ever taken. A journey to Mars. It might sound like a science fiction novel, but it's closer to reality than you might think. The wheels are already in motion, with NASA's Artemis program aiming to return humans to the moon by 2024 as a stepping stone for Mars. Artemis is not just about revisiting our lunar neighbor, but it's about setting the stage for the next giant leap. It's about establishing a sustainable human presence on the moon to test technologies, systems, and operations for future Mars missions. It's about learning to live and work on another world so that we can venture even further to the red planet. But NASA isn't the only player in this space race. SpaceX, under the vision of Elon Musk, is developing the Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed to carry up to 100 passengers to Mars. The goal? Nothing less than making life multiplanetary. Of course, sending humans to Mars is not without its challenges. There are the long duration of space travel, the hazards of radiation, the need for life support systems, and the psychological toll of isolation. But these are not insurmountable. They are merely problems in need of solutions, and our scientists and engineers are hard at work devising those solutions. The potential benefits of human Mars exploration are immense. It could be a new frontier for scientific discovery, a catalyst for technological innovation, and an inspiration for future generations. It could change our understanding of the universe and our place in it. And so, we stand on the precipice of a new era. An era of human exploration that extends beyond our home planet, that pushes the boundaries of our capabilities, and that dares to dream the impossible. The dream of setting foot on Mars is closer than ever. Mars is not just a destination, but a new frontier for humanity. As we peer into the vast expanse of space, Mars beckons with an allure that's hard to resist. It is an alien world, yet strangely familiar, a tantalizing challenge for our collective scientific and exploratory ambitions. As the fourth planet from the Sun, Mars is our celestial neighbor, a red oasis in the cosmic desert, waiting to reveal its secrets to us. The potential for Mars colonization is tremendous. The idea of humans setting up a permanent residence on Mars is no longer a figment of science fiction, but a tangible goal for space agencies worldwide. This endeavor is not driven merely by the thrill of exploration, but by the necessity of securing our species' survival beyond Earth. Terraforming Mars, or transforming it into a planet that could sustain human life, is a concept that has captured our imagination and the focus of many scientific studies. It would require monumental feats of engineering and technological innovation, and even then, it would take centuries to make Mars as hospitable as Earth. Yet the very idea that it's possible is a testament to human ingenuity and our relentless pursuit of knowledge. The exploration of Mars holds significant scientific and cultural significance. It's an opportunity to answer some of the most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? Can we adapt and thrive in environments beyond our home planet? The answers to these questions could redefine our understanding of life and our place in the cosmos. Mars is more than a planetary object. It's a symbol of our shared aspiration, a testament to our ability to dream, and our relentless drive to make those dreams a reality. It's a chapter yet to be written in the grand saga of human exploration. As we stand on the brink of this new era, we must ask ourselves, what will we discover when we finally set foot on the red planet?